Are you the same or have you changed yourself in this year 2020? I am Angicha from Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology and I belong to Samastipur. In this 4 to 5 minute video, we will be cleared about this year 2020 was good or is good or bad. Okay, so first taking the real time example, why we are making this video. To empower ourselves, to improve our video making capability, the video making skills, and the end of results. What we will get is empowering ourselves, creating a lot of more opportunities for ourselves, and that is the same goes with this year 2020. The one who have used this year 2020 wisely have created lots of more opportunities for them. Totally agree with that people have lost their jobs, lost their money, lost their time, and many of the things the night since March and April people have been going through 9 to 10 drastic months. Okay, the thing is like who have used this year wisely have created lots of more opportunities for them. If we look at the medical conditions, they have upgraded. Now India has been upgraded to the next level in terms of medical situation. We have now very upgraded system in terms of defense technology. The Rafale has arrived in this year 2020. Rafale and the new education policies itself was a very good news for the students that is comparatively needed in India. The second thing is that who have used this 2020 wisely. Let us take the first real life example. The 16-year boy Umair Qureshi have earned or is earning lakhs of rupees through his or her skills. This year 2020 has proved that the students have invested in their self-education. They have grown their skills and working upon it. Maybe they were their own passion or they have learned. They are creating lots of more opportunities other than college education. They have created in their self-education. That is the thing. The year 2020 has proved with lots of more opportunities, like the businesses have gone online. Most of the thing classes are taking online, the schools and most of the business are, if you are not putting it online, then you will be not able to generate the revenue. If you have a skill and you are not monetizing it, this year 2020 has proved it, like now you can monetize your skills. Just take it online. If you are good at yoga, if you are good at swimming, take it online. Give free sessions, give 10 to 20 free sessions, then charge for the Zoom meetings, then give one-to-one personal live trainings, and you will be able to monetize it. This is the main thing that we have gone through this year 2020, or what we have learned. We have to create opportunities for us for what we have, or we have to invest on self-learning. The second thing is upgrading ourselves in the physical conditions. The people have very much aware about the physical conditions in this 2020. They have empowered their immunity from the COVID situations. People go for exercises. Most of the people, they are aware about the mental situations. The main thing is like we have created lots of opportunities. The thing is like online, if you are in a job, start your online coaching, teach 10 to 15 new freshes and you will be able to generate more income. The students, the 17 and 18 year students, if you are not getting off your comfort zones and not putting down efforts in learning skills, then you are doing nothing in this year 2020. And that what I have observed is like the people or students have just starting their journey in their skill improving. Not other than college education, they have improved a lot in this year 2020, and that is the main thing I like the most. And for the last, I say that this year 2020 was good enough to create a lot of more opportunities for people. And the thing is like the business what they have started or closed, there will be resumed after the COVID. The school will be resumed after the COVID. Mainly the GDP will improve after the COVID. But what the trade we will get after the COVID, the tourism trade, the e-commerce, the IT driven technology, and these like things. So at last, thank you for watching this video. I am Angisha signing.